scalar matrix. Just you need to understand what is scalar matrix. Just a short while ago we studied this identity matrix. It is almost you can say similar to that. Any matrix A, if it is written like 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2, or matrix A dash is equal to, not A dash, let us see, let us suppose B, matrix B is equal to 3 0 0 3. So just like identity matrix, the diagonal elements are identical, same only, but not as identity element. Identity element means 1. So as you can see, these are non-one element, means they are not 1. Other than 1, whatever you take right from 2 to 9 or maybe negative, then this particular matrix is called scalar matrix, where again the condition is similar only. It should be square matrix, and the second condition is the position of this element, non-zero element, must be identical. That is, I is equal to j 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 3 3, just like identity matrix. That is all about scalar matrix. Now one more important is remaining, that is called zero matrix. Zero matrix is very flexible like identity matrix. It can be extended to any order. If other matrices in the questions are of 2 by 2, then 0 can be taken of 2 by 2. Identity also can be taken as of order 2 by 2, otherwise 3 by 3 or so on. So zero matrix is what? The name is, from name we can see, what we can see, if all the elements of any matrix is 0, then that matrix is called zero matrix. Okay, so here we complete in general main types of matrices. Now we go towards some of the properties like equal matrix. When do we say any two matrices are equal? Two matrices are said to be equal if their orders are same. They are of same order. Like, for example, if we have matrix A 1 2 3 4 and we have matrix x y z w, its order of matrix A is 2 by 2, order of matrix B is 2 by 2, so we can write here matrix A is equal to matrix B. One more important sub property of this particular property is, we can, if the orders are same and matrices are equal, we can compare the elements, but that position must be same. मतलब क्या है इसका कि 1 1 पोजीशन 1 2 पोजीशन का एलिमेंट जो है, जैसे 1 1 का है तो वो दूसरी मैट्रिक्स से 1 1 के साथ ही इक्वल होगा, 1 2 का है तो वो 1 2 के साथ होगा, 2 1 का है तो वो 2 1 के साथ होगा, और 2 2 का है तो वो 2 2 का। ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हम कि इस एलिमेंट को y के साथ कंपेयर करें। तो 1 1 पोजीशन इसका फर्स्ट का इज इक्वल टू दिस वन, तो वी कैन से x इज इक्वल टू 1, x इज इक्वल टू 1, y इज इक्वल टू 2, z is equal to 3, and lastly w is equal to 4. So these two matrices are said to be equal. Okay. Now we move towards exercise 3.1, question number first. Here we have matrix A, first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. Now the question, we have three parts of this particular question. The first is order of the matrix. What is the order of the matrix? Order of the matrix means number of rows multiplied by number of columns. 1, 2, 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4. So rows and columns. So order of matrix is 3 by 4. No need of multiplication. Now here it is asked number of elements. Number of elements means product of this order. 3, 4 ja 12 elements. Now the third question, write the elements of the positions A1 3, 2 1, 3 3, 2 4, 2 3. So we goes to 1 3. 1 3 means first row, third column. First row, third column. The result is 19. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. The result is 35. Third row, third column. Third row, third column. So 1 2 3 third row and third column this one. So its value is -5. 2 4 second row, fourth column. Second row, fourth column. The answer is 12. 2 3 second row and then third column. So this is second row and 1 2 3 this is third column, this one. So result is 5 by 2. So this way we have completed question number first. Question number second is, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 13 elements? अगर 24 एलिमेंट्स हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे 12 थे, यहाँ पे 24 एलिमेंट्स हैं, तो वो किस तरह का, कितना ऑर्डर, कैसा ऑर्डर होगा उसका? तो इसको जितने भी 24 के फैक्टर्स हैं उसमें लिख सकते हैं 1 इंटू 24 और 24 इंटू 1, 2 इंटू 12 और 12 इंटू 2, 3 इंटू 8, 8 इंटू 3, like that. So this all 4 into 6, 6 into 4, ऐसे सारे ही ये सब उसके क्या हो जाएंगे, ऑर्डर हो जाएंगे. What if it has 13 elements? अगर किसी यहाँ पर कह रहा है 24 एलिमेंट्स की जगह सिर्फ इसमें 13 एलिमेंट्स ही होते तो जितने 13 के फैक्टर हैं हम वही पॉसिबिलिटी लिखेंगे. 13 के नन अदर देन 1 के साथ कोई भी दूसरा मल्टीपल इसका होता नहीं है, इसलिए इसका एक ही ऑर्डर है 1 इंटू 13 और 13 इंटू 1. तो इसके दो ही चांसेस हैं, दो, या तो होगा वो रो और रो मैट्रिक्स या तो वो होगी कॉलम मैट्रिक्स. बस ये दो ही चांस हैं इसके. तो ये इस तरह से ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 says if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 5 elements? So simple. 18 elements हैं तो 1 into 18, 18 into 1, 2 into 9, 9 into 2, 3 into 6, 6 into 3, so on, like that. That it can be done. If elements are 5, then only two ways, 1 into 5 or 5 into 1. So that all about question number 3. Now we move towards question number 4. Question number 4 is important one. Why it is important? Because it is little reasoning. Question number 4 है, construct a matrix of 2 by 2. हमको एक मैट्रिक्स बनानी है 2 by 2 ऑर्डर की, जहाँ पर इन जनरल सेंस उसका लोकेशन ऐसा, एलिमेंट्स का लोकेशन ऐसा है, whose elements are given by, इसके लिए फॉर्मूला उन्होंने ड्राइव किया है फर्स्ट पार्ट के लिए, aij इज इक्वल टू आई प्लस जे होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 2. अब आपको एक चीज़ यहाँ पर समझनी है कि जो नई मैट्रिक्स बनानी हमने वो है 2 by 2 ऑर्डर की. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे A11, A12, A21, A22 हो गई 2 by 2 ऑर्डर की. तो ये आई जे की वैल्यू है, ये सारी वैल्यूज़ आपने इस फॉर्मूले में रखते जाना है. जो भी आपको आंसर आएगा वो यहाँ पर आपने नेक्स्ट टाइम रख देना. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट A11. अब यहाँ पर i की वैल्यू भी 1 है, j की वैल्यू भी 1 है, इसमें रख देंगे 1 + 1 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 का स्क्वायर अपॉन 2, इसकी वैल्यू आई 2। नेक्स्ट है a12 1 2, यहाँ पे रख देंगे वैल्यू 1 और 2, 1 + 2 3, 3 का स्क्वायर हुआ 9, 9/2, तो सिंपल 9/2 हो गया। थर्ड है a21, सो यहाँ पर वैल्यू रखेंगे i की वैल्यू 2, j की वैल्यू 1, 2 + 1 3, अगेन 9/2, 9/2, and the last one is a22. Here we will put the value of I and j. 2 + 2 4, 4 square 16, 16/2 is equal to 8. So these all are the values of these elements. So now we have the matrix A is equal to 1 1 की value I 2, a12 की value I 9/2, 2 1 की value I 9/2, and 2 2 की value I 8. So this is formation of new matrix. दूसरा है थर्ड, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड पार्ट्स कैन बी डन सिमिलरली। नेक्स्ट है कंस्ट्रक्ट अ मैट्रिक्स of 3/4 whose elements are given by, this is also very simple, can be done very easily. Now I take question number 6, part number 1. Find the value of x, y and z. It is given that we have two matrices 4x 3 5, it is equal to another matrix y z 1 5. So as we discussed while I was explaining you about equality of matrices, at that time we learned that the locations, same location will be equated with the same location. So here we will directly write y is equal to 4, z is equal to 3, x is equal to 1, and last one is nothing, 5 is equal to 5. So that's all about this question number, part number 1. Next part number 2, which is again important. What is that? X plus y 5 plus z 2xy is equal to 6 2 5 8. Again same problem, property and same problem almost. So this first element, now this is addition of two things, this is polynomial. So this whole thing is treated as 1 1, this is again 1 1. So from here we find out that x plus y is equal to 6. You can put it as equation number 1. This 2 is equal to 2, nothing to worry about that. Then this last one, this is equal to this one. So 5 plus z is equal to 0. Sorry, 5 plus z is equal to 5. So 5 5 cancel, implies z is equal to 0. The last one is that x into y. X into y is equal to 8. So from here we can find out the value of y is equal to 8 upon x, and that can be substituted in 1. So from 1 we get in place of x, x, plus in place of y we have 8 upon x is equal to 6. LCM, x square plus 8 upon x is equal to 6. Cross multiplication, x square plus 8 is equal to 6x, x square plus 6x, sorry, minus, it will come to this side. So this is minus, and then plus 8 is equal to 0. So x square now minus 4x and then plus 2x is equal to 0. Here should be minus, minus 2 minus 4x minus 2x is equal to minus 6x, and minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8. That's good. X common, x minus 4 minus, then plus 8 is remaining, then minus 2 again taken out, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 common from both, and then we have x minus 2 is equal to 0. So either x is equal to 4 or 2. So we got two values of x. Similarly, you can put it as equation number 2. So we will get the two values of y. We will put here when x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 8 by value of x 4. 4 to the 8 2. And when x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 8 by 2 4. Its value is 4. So we got value of z, value of x, value of y. That's all about this question. Now next question, this question number 8, we have already discussed. It is again comes under property A is equal to Aij m cross n. Its order is m cross n. Is a square matrix. It is actually a MCQ question. If, and the options are, first one, m is less than n, m is greater than n, m is equal to n, C, and then B, and then D is none of these. So for square matrix, I told you earlier, here in place of this is order must be same, means both should be of same value. So m is equal to n means that is our required option. So m is equal to n is the right option. It will make it square, we can multiply. Now this ninth question is also just like the previous one, similar. The question number 10, again MCQ type question, but very interesting. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3, of order 3 by 3. Here you need to understand A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So what is order? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So order is 3 by 3. We are meeting with the demand of the question. And then with now the next remaining part of the question is, first of all, you just find out the number of possible, all the matrices possible of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1. या तो 0 होगा या तो 1 होगा. तो मान लो यहाँ पर 0 होता है या 1 होता है, तो इस रो के कितने ऑप्शन हो गए? 2. इसके कितने हो गए? 2. इसके कितने हो गए? 2. हर एक ऑप्शन 2 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, फिर इसके भी 2 हैं एलिमेंट्स के, इसके भी 2 हैं, तो यहाँ पर 3 टाइम्स 2, 3 टाइम्स 2, तो 0 1 0 1 0 1, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8. हर एक एलिमेंट पे कितने ऑप्शन हैं? 2. तो कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं हमारे पास? 3. तो 2 पावर 3, मतलब एक रो में हमारे पास कितने ऑप्शन हो गए? 8. तो नाउ टोटल ऑप्शंस, टोटल सच मैट्रिसेस विल बी, ये भी फिर इनकी अदला बदली पॉसिबल है. 8 इंटू 8 इंटू 8, 8 8 is 64, 64 into 8, 512. So the right option is 512. That's all about exercise 3.1. Here we complete.